In this video, I will show you how to get a Binance Virtual Card. First, launch open the Binance app, or you can open up any web browser and go to the Binance website. Now, log into your account. After you've logged in, you also want to complete the required identity verification, also known as KYC. Once that is done, you want to tap on this menu icon. Now, from here, find the option of card. Go ahead and select that. If your Binance card is available in your country or region, you will see the option to order card. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your application. After your request is approved, Binance may issue a virtual card that you can start using for eligible online purchases while you wait for the physical card if one is available. Keep in mind that Binance card is not supported in every region or country. Availability depends on Binance's current services, local regulation, and your account eligibility. If you don't find the card option, it may not be available for your account or location at the time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.